Hi everyone, thanks for tuning back in, and yeah, thanks for all the views on the EchoFlex plug-in smart speaker from Amazon, and thanks to everyone that's subscribed so far. Really appreciate it. So I said I would get the Echo Show review up soon. I will, but in the interim I want to show you another one, and it's related to the EchoFlex here. So I said that it had a USB socket in the bottom, and that allowed you to plug in other devices that are available. So in addition to that, you can charge your mobile phone using a USB lead there, but one of the devices is a smart nightlight from a company called Third Reality. It's available on amazon.co.uk. It's made for Amazon, and it works with Alexa. So I'm going to open that and set it up. Okay, so here we are. I've got it opened, and it's a USB device. And yeah, these are the instructions. So interestingly, it says suitable for damp locations. I'm not really sure where you'd want to put it. So it's got a USB connector, a light sensor, and then LED lights, which I think can change into multiple colors. So basically, that's your device, and you plug the Echo speaker in on top, or the right way around. There we go. And that's it. So, according to the instructions, you put your EchoFlex into wall, insert the smart nightlight. Alexa will automatically discover, connect and name the smart nightlight to first light or similar. And then you can go to the Alexa app and rename the smart nightlight. Turn it on or off, change color or brightness. So, that sounds pretty cool. So I think I'll unplug it from here. Just disconnected it. I'll find a plug socket, plug it in. Here we've got Alexa plugged in already. And right next to it is the Woox smart plug, which puts on this lamp here. So I can talk about that later, but one of the cool things about Alexa and the connected devices that you can get, so I can say, Alexa, lights off. Alexa, lights on. So you can do things like that, but today's exercise is to show you guys this. Need to get it the right way around. Oh, cool, look at that. Excuse my throat.
I found first light, and you can control it by saying, turn off first light.
Okay, so that seems to be it. That was really quick. You saw this in real time. Alexa, turn on first light. Alexa, turn off first light. Alexa, turn on first light. Alexa, Alexa, set first light color to blue. Alexa, set first light color to green. That's pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, that's the plug-in light module available on amazon.co.uk. I'm sure there's something similar on amazon.com, and yeah, that's really cool. Guys, just looking in the Amazon app, and there's a number of settings to set a routine, as it calls it. So you can set it to come on at sunrise, go off at sunset, or vice versa. There's a number of options you can choose from. There's a number of different colors that are preset within the app as well. So yeah, it's $14.99, which is pretty cheap. So I quite like this. It's something you could have in your kid's bedroom, something you could set for when you come home, and you just shout Alexa, lights on. So that's kind of cool. In fact, I'm going to put the whole light on just now, which will talk to this. So Alexa, lights on. But if you like this video, you like my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you later. Bye.